Our 5 digital skills that could be relevant in 2024. As technology continues to evolve, several digital skills are likely to become increasingly relevant in 2024. Here are 5 digital skills that could be valuable in the near future. 1. AI, artificial intelligence and machine learning. Understanding AI and machine learning concepts and being able to apply them to real-world problems would be crucial. These include knowledge of machine learning algorithms, neural networks, and the ability to work with AI, machine learning tools, and frameworks. Number 2, data science and analytics. Proficiency in data analysis, data visualization, and interpreting big data trends will remain highly relevant. Skills in using tools such as Python, Arrow, SQL, and data visualization platforms will be important for making data-driven decisions. 3. Cybersecurity. With the increasing frequency and sophistication of cyber threats, cybersecurity skills will continue to be high in demand. This includes knowledge of network security, ethical hacking, threat detection, and the ability to implement security measures to protect digital assets. Digital marketing is another one. That is number 4. As business rely more on online platform for marketing, skills in digital marketing will be essential. These include expertise in search engine optimization, SEO, social media marketing, content marketing, and the ability to analyze digital marketing metrics. 5, and the last is blockchain technology. Blockchain is gaining traction in various industries, including finance, healthcare, and supply chain. Understanding the fundamentals of blockchain, smart contract, and decentralized applications could be valuable in 2024. Remember, the specific skills needed can vary depending on the industry and job roles. Thank you. Subscribe for more videos.